Hello, my dear friend. Uh, you are seeing this screen. My screen here is the app. That's the website of Jetbrain. And what is Jetbrain? I hope those you are seeing this video, you all are know that Jetbrain is the cheese software of software development. Many of our software development developers and our web developers are use it, and it's so essential for software developers and teams. And let's see, today I will show you that JetBrains, how will you got by an email with free for 2 years. If you got this videos, you will take this JetBrain for 2 years free subscription. And first of all, that's why you need to go a link. Those will show this page, and that's the link. I will paste it in description. You will receive it. Then you'll got this page. And now what should you do? First of all, what the email you have to log into your Gmail account. This mail I got, I will log in it to my Gmail account. See, this is my Gmail account. Then I will log in it. See attentively what I am doing. Then this mail's login successfully. Now that mail I already used, and that's not work for this. I will add new account. Log in your Gmail account, this mails. And after logging successfully, you have another task for doing. First of all, you have to copy this mail from here. Then let's see on this page that we got from the link. First of all, you have to set up these options. This will be I'm a student, and now this will be edu mails that you have that's country, which will be this country. And like I have the edu mails of Philippines, I will select the Philippines here. Everything will be okay. Now here you put the mail. Then you can change. You can set your name. Like I will show you James Branch. Not important the name. It will not affect it for anything. And selected them. Then apply for free products. Now after you submitting this option, you will got a message on your Gmail account. It's after going there, you have to click on this link and get started to use. Then here you have to download it and accept this all things. And now see, you will get another message from JetBrain. Then click here, link your free license. This message, look after this message, now this is our mail inbox. After getting this message, you have to click on it. Just it. After clicking, you need to put here your email that you use here. From there, you need to put it here and paste. Then you need to put the password of this mail password and get sign in. And now look, after clicking this, you will got a message from JetBrain. This will be the message, and here's the final step. You have to confirm your to complete registration. Click the below link, confirm your account. You need to confirm here. Now you can change your email, you can change your name from there, like I did. I will give it here my name, like that, take door and password. You can suggest anything that you want, like I will I am putting it. You can put anything that's suitable for you. Then here, then select it, then submit. This name is not valid. That's why you should to put a valid name, like I am putting a 90. I think that is valid. This is valid now. And now you are seeing we are successfully created our account, and that's account valid through July 11, 2025. It's 1 year. It's free for 1 year, and that's it. You can use by you can get this JetBrain free by Edumails. And if you have not Edumails, I have Edumails. I sell it, and I will help you if you knock me on Telegram or WhatsApp. And that's it, the processes of getting JetBrain accounts. That's the using for we use for them. And after this, you also log in it there. That's your account. You can log in it easily. And also there is a many options to maintain, like that. You can change this mail with your own mail, like that. I want to change it like new. I want to change my own mail, so I will copy it and see. Paste it here and verify. And now I'll got a code from here, and if I click on here, change email address, so I got the JetBrain account on my own email. That will be on my own email, and that's how you can sell also to others. You must set these things to according to your emails. If you got USA email or American email, you should use it. And you can also delete this account anytime from there. And that's how you can use and create a JetBrain account by an email. Hopefully this video will be helpful to you. Share to your friends, and if any necessary, knock me on WhatsApp or Telegram. I will help you. Thank you.